Are you looking for an alternative to the harsh chemical spa water products currently on the market, or a spa water maintenance routine that's easier? Let me introduce you to the original SpaSolution, an all-natural product that will give you a simple spa water maintenance program without constant water balancing, a significant reduction in harsh chemicals that gives you freedom from dermal sensitivity, breathing disorders, and chemical odors on the skin, a luxurious feeling both during and after your spa soak, and clean, clear water for up to 3 months with each application. The original SpaSolution is an environmentally friendly, non-toxic, non-allergenic, natural spa water conditioner that provides you with all these benefits. An independent study by a leading Ontario spa retail group has shown that the original SpaSolution outlasts any other enzyme product on the market and is the choice of thousands of spa owners. This advanced, high-quality, natural enzyme formula eliminates constant water balancing and reduces the need for harsh chemicals. It requires only occasional small amounts of granular chlorine, best applied either 20 minutes before or shortly after your hot tub soak. This allows the sanitizer to do its job and dissipate so you're not sitting in harsh chemicals. The original SpaSolution is a proven formula that breaks down contaminants in spa water so that you use only minimal sanitizer. Once the alkalinity is set, the original SpaSolution automatically locks and maintains the pH level, making your spa water more comfortable and the minimal amount of sanitizer more effective. And the addition of glycerin in the formula leaves skin soft for a lasting, luxurious feeling. The original SpaSolution is compatible with bromine, chlorine, and ozone systems. How do we define the difference between the original SpaSolution and other enzyme products on the market? Very simply, our product performs as promised. So if you're looking for a simple spa water maintenance program without constant water balancing for 90 days, a product that eliminates dermal sensitivity, and a product that provides you with a luxurious feeling, try the original SpaSolution. For more information and to find a dealer near you, visit us at SpaSolution.com.